Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. All those beginners who are struggling as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to help you out and give you a couple of tips. And actually, at the end of the video, show you which is the best way to get started and become successful. Stick around. So you want to start as an affiliate marketer, or you have already started as an affiliate marketer but are struggling as a beginner. You don't know how to navigate this online business out there, where to get, and you are struggling for the life of it, don't know where to do, but help is out there. I'm going to show you a program that will help exactly people who are struggling as an affiliate marketer. Now, before I jump into the program, I just want to talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing. Why it is so easy for people to get into affiliate marketing. Why? Because of the ease of entry. I mean, all you gotta do is pick a company, apply for affiliate as an affiliate, and get affiliate links. And everybody's on social media. You can just put your links on the social media, and people will click on your link, and you will make money. That's the idea. That's why a lot of people have got into the affiliate marketing. But the truth is, it's hard to be successful as an affiliate marketer. You need to navigate through the online business. You need to find out a particular program which is good, and you need to have the right offer in front of people that will give you that will actually click a link, and you'll make an income. Now, how to find those offers, how to find a particular niche, and how to be successful. Well, in next 4 or 5 minutes, I'm going to help you out there. Affiliate marketer, the money is in the high ticket item, high ticket offers. Now, where do you get the high ticket offers? How you can put these high ticket offers right in front of people who are actually looking for these products. And once they click on it, you're going to be making a lot of money. Maybe $1,000, $500, or it could be a really high ticket item, and you can end up making $5,000-$6,000. How to make that money? There is a program called Legendary Marketer. Have you guys heard of it? Yes, Legendary Marketer is a high ticket affiliate program for people to sell their high ticket products. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with a Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, and how to promote their products, which are high ticket items, so you can make a lot of money. So what is the program? It's an ebook by Legendary Marketer. You have heard of it. David Sharp is the person who runs Legendary Marketer, and he just came out with his new ebook. And if you look at it, then you might be thinking, ebook, what is it? Ebooks, usually I've got a lot of ebooks from other people, and it's just basic general knowledge. There isn't too much value in it, and why would I be spending money investing into an ebook? Well, wait for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna tell you why you should invest in this ebook. First of all, this ebook, it's only $199. Yep, that's right. It's only $199. Now, you probably be hearing it's $199. It's probably not worth it that much. Maybe there isn't that much value. Stick around. So on top of that, you get free access to the 15-day online business builder challenge. Now, this is for affiliates who wants to be successful in online marketing. This is a 15-day challenge where you actually go in details and talk about what you actually want to achieve. You have one-on-one personal business consultant on top of that, which will help you during this 15-day challenge, so you exactly know what the affiliate marketing is, how to promote products, and how to promote those high ticket items to a hot niche, where you can find the hot niches. Now you're getting all that free for $199. Now when I started it, I started with the 15-day online business builder challenge, which still is, if you just want that by itself, it is $7, but you're getting that as a bonus with the $199. On top of that, you also get access to the Facebook group, their Legendary Marketers private Facebook group. So all of that just for $199. Now, the thing I liked about David Sharpe, he's upfront. He just tells you, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick kind of thing, then this is not going to work for you. If you're willing to put effort and learn the art and science of marketing and apply it to a simpler business model, which is affiliate marketing, you'll be successful. And then he also talks about why you're giving this for, why so little. The only reason is because he just wants to earn the trust and the business the old way, by showing that he knows what he's talking about and letting his strategies work. Now, what you get in ebook. So it's broken down into 3 different parts. The first one is the foundation to success. It talks about why affiliate marketing is better, how to find the best products to promote, and lastly, but most important, is how to find a hot niche with the proven buyers who are ready to buy your high ticket items product. Then he talks about affiliate domination formula, how to dominate in your affiliate marketing in whichever niche you are targeting, how to get, most important is high quality evergreen traffic. Then talking about the 2-page miracle site. That's where you get all the leads. Most important rule is to make sale. Secret to scale, how to properly track the matrix for it, so which one is it's doing good, which one is not doing good, so you can figure out and find the which one is a winner. The third part is talked about foundation to longevity, blending of compliance, conversion, and 3 stages of entrepreneurial growth. And this is all you're gonna get in ebook. And on top of that, he just backs and all goes, and then he goes on and on about bonuses again. And on top of that, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. For $199, you invested, you're getting all those bonuses, and he's still giving you 30 days money back guarantee. It's a win-win situation, guys. I mean, look about it. If you're starting in affiliate marketing, getting so much value for just $199, and on top of that, he's giving you 30-day money back guarantee. There's nothing else to do. All you gotta do is just click the link below and get started. And you know what? With all your hard work and starting what exactly it is through the ebook and doing the 15-day online business builder challenge, you will become a successful affiliate marketer. And what he's also saying is, you can keep the ebook. You don't have to, it's a digital product. You can keep it. He will give you $199 back. So here's what you're gonna get. You can get the ebook, the 15-day online business builder challenge, the affiliate domination email templates, the ad templates, the video scripts, and so all of that, one-on-one business plan consultant, all of that, which is valued close to $1,000, you only get for $199. That's all, guys. Might as well just click the link below, get started, and get on towards becoming a successful affiliate marketing. That's what you want to do, right? Now, there are a couple of questions that people ask you. Now, I'm not going to go on this, but you can just once you go on the page, you can just click on it and see which one you do. The first one, this is the one that I think a lot of people are asking for. Is your ebook and the bonus really just $199? That's what a lot of people want to know. It is, yes, there's no hidden fees. The only reason he wants to get it is so it's in hand of a lot of people, and a lot of people get started on, you know, on their online journey, get started as an affiliate marketer, and how to become, and he wants you to become successful. That's how. That's why he's just giving you, there's no other hidden fees and all that. Now you can also, you can also look at it on the other thing, but if I were you guys, I will start with 199, the ebook. It's a win-win situation. So the link is below in the description. Click on the link, get started, and on your way to a successful affiliate journey. See you guys.